Hi, I'm Dr. Gerard Guillory, President of the Care Group PC, and we're here today to talk about the difference between integrative and functional medicine versus traditional medicine. And this is a question, quite frankly, that comes up a lot with our patients. And I think when you contrast functional medicine versus traditional medicine, the traditional medicine model is a model that's based on disease. And a disease or diagnosis is made, and then that's cross-checked with a list of medications, and in most cases you're placed on a medication. With the functional medicine model, we really strive to look for the root cause of the problem, use natural treatments whenever possible, and focus on prevention. Let me try and explain by telling you a real patient story. A patient came to me with palpitations or skipping beats in her heart, and my first rule of thumb with any new complaint is that it's a medication side effect until proven otherwise. So sure enough, in her case, the palpitation started when she was begun on a medication for her restless leg syndrome. The medication was prescribed by her neurologist, and the restless leg symptoms, as it turns out, were the result of a low iron level. Iron is a cofactor for conversion of the amino acid tyrosine to the neurotransmitter dopamine. Dopamine deficient patients are more likely to get restless leg syndrome. It turns out her iron was low because she was on an acid blocking medication to treat her heartburn or reflux esophagitis. And it turns out that her reflux esophagitis was on the basis of gluten sensitivity. So at the end of the day, we got her off of the medication that was causing the palpitations. We increased her iron level. We were able to get her off the acid blocking medication that was causing the low iron. And we were able to really change everything by just getting her to go off gluten, which is a common problem in patients that have heartburn. It's estimated that up to 60% of people with heartburn who go off gluten will have complete resolution of their symptoms. So it's just a good case study or example of how when you really get to the root cause of the problem, it's like peeling back the layers of an onion. And that's the difference between functional and integrative medicine versus the traditional approach. Thank you.